Hi dear Virgos, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general love reading for all the Virgos, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. And the third thing, this is a reading from 22nd till the end of November. So let's start. Okay, your partner's feelings for you. Let's see what your partner feels for you, Virgo. Their feelings for you. Let's see. Let me see what this person feels for you. Okay. Hermit could be dealing with a Virgo. They are thinking a lot about you, constantly thinking about you, Virgo. This person is constantly thinking about you, the Hermit. This person is feeling like they can't let you go. Even though might be you guys are not physically with each other right now, but I feel this person is missing you a lot. They're thinking constantly about this connection, about the future of this connection, about what happened in the past, about you. Let me clarify. Virgo, it could be you. Okay, because the Hermit card is here and it is card of Virgo, but I feel like because this is your person's feelings for you and the Hermit card is here, this person is feeling very depressed. This person is missing you 24/7, thinking about you 24/7. Let me clarify. The Hierophant could be dealing with the Taurus, the Three of Pentacles and the Moon. Okay, this person is feeling like you are their spiritual counterpart. They want to work on this connection. They want to work as a teamwork on this connection. They feel like they should work on this connection, okay? But they're fearful. They're scared of reaching you because the Moon card is here. There's certain kind of blockage between you guys. Might be a third party situation is stopping them. Might be there are certain issues that are stopping them. Might be you guys are not talking to each other. Might be ego problems. I don't know what kind of blockage is there. But this person does want to work with you. They feel like they should work on this connection with you. They feel like there should be equal give and take of energy from both the sides, but they are very scared to reach you. There's certain kind of blockage. Could be dealing with a Pisces here. There's certain kind of blockage in this connection and they feel very sad and depressed, and they feel like they don't know what to do about this, but you are all over in their energy right now. Okay, Virgo. Okay, let me see what's your feelings for them, Virgo. Your feelings for your partner. The roles can be reversed anytime, okay? I told you, I think, before as well. Virgo, your feelings for the partner. Six of Pentacles. You feel like having balance in this connection. You're trying your best to bring balance in this connection. You feel like the feelings should be balanced. They should not go like, they should not be less than balanced. They should not be over balanced. They should not go overboard. They should not go underboard. So it's like you feel like having a balance in this connection because there's certain kind of imbalance between you guys right now. You are trying your best to bring balance to the situation. This is you feel like having a balance in this connection. Might be you guys are overdoing something, or might be you guys are not at all doing anything. So that's why you feel like having a balance. Let me clarify the Six of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles and the Seven of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles. My God, you are okay, Virgo. Now I'm getting the vibe that you are more connected to the materialistic world right now rather than the emotional thing. It's like Six of Pentacles is Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, lots of Pentacles. You are definitely dealing with the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here, first thing. And the second thing, you are more concerned about the stability, monetary stability, financial stability in your life right now rather than the emotional part of your life. You feel like bringing balance in your life in professional and in personal life, sorry. So you're trying your best. You feel like bringing a balance to your life professionally and personally is very much required right now. So what you feel for them, you feel like bringing a balance in your financial stability, then you should come back to them. This is what you feel for them. Then you should check out what's happening personally, or then you should check what your emotions are telling you. This is what the universe is telling me about you. See what this person wants from you. Let me see what this person wants from you, Virgo. Let me see what this person wants from you. Eight of Wands in reverse. There's a blockage in the communication. They want to have a They want to have a communication with you, back and forth communication with you. And this is Eight of Wands is in reverse here. This is a different deck, so might be you are not able to see that, but Eight of Wands is in reverse here. There's a blockage in your communication. I don't see you guys are communicating at all, or if you're communicating a single word or two words or hi hello kind of energy, they want to open up. They want you to open up to them. They want you to talk openly and honestly with them, and remove the miscommunication, remove the silence. This is what they want from you. Let me clarify the Eight of Wands in reverse as what they want from you, Virgo. They want you to open up to them and talk to them honestly and tell them exactly what you feel and what you need. Okay, let me see. Knight of Swords in reverse and Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands. See, definitely this person is in love with you. They love you so much. They want you. See, I feel like this person is very on and off. You know, very in and out in this connection from a very long time. Now they want to come back. Now they want to restart on emotional level as well and physical level as well. So they feel like having a communication is a need of the hour right now. You could be dealing with a Leo, Sagittarius or Aries here, and they want to come back with stability like this time. They want to come with a stable energy right now this time. Okay, that's why they want you to open up with them and communicate with them and tell them exactly what do you want and tell them exactly what do you feel about this connection. They want you to open up and they want you to restart this connection on physical level as well and on emotional level as well. This is what they want from you. Okay, let me see what do you want from them, Virgo. Let's see what do you want from them. Let's see. Queen of Swords, you want clarity. You want them to quit the mind games. You want them to quit the manipulation game. You want them to quit the emotional trauma, the emotional games or emotional blackmail or whatever it is. You want clarity from this person. You want open and honest answer from their side, and you want clarity. You want them to be very, very honest with them, and you want them to tell them exactly how you are feeling, exactly what you want, exactly what is happening. And you want them to stop the mind games, stop the secretive games. Okay, I feel like they are being very secret right now. They are being very silent right now, and you are feeling like, what the hell are they hiding from me? They should not do like this. That's what you're feeling. That's what you want. Sorry, that's what you want from them. You want them to be very open and honest with you and tell them exactly what you want, exactly what you feel. This is what you want from this person. Let me clarify. Nine of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles and the Eight of Cups. You want them to be stable-minded and stop juggling. I feel like this person is constantly juggling and they are so on and off in this connection. They are so, some day they are like very much into you, and another day they are not even thinking about you, not even texting you, not even talking to you. So you want them to be stable-minded. You want them to juggle. You want them to stop the juggling part. And you want them to walk away if they want to. This is what you want from them. You want them to be very open and honest and clear if you want to stay or if you want to go. You want them to be stable-minded. You feel like, okay, if you want to go, be clear and honest with me and go. And if you want to stay, please be clear and honest with me and stay. Then we will see what we can do about this. Then we will see, okay? So you want mental clarity from them. This person is playing mind games, manipulating you, doing all sort of stupid stuff, and that's making you really confused and pissed off. And that's why you are shifting whole of your focus towards your money, towards your business, towards your job, or whatever it is to make you kind of, stable in your life, financially stable in your life. Because this person is very in and out, on and off in this connection, and that's why that's making you pissed off kind of energy. Cool. Let's see what to expect from this person till the end of November. What action they are going to take about this situation. Let's see. Let's see. Nine of Pentacles. Okay. Virgo, I feel like this person is very, very slow to approach you because they're health scared. What you're gonna do? What you're gonna say? What you're gonna? How you're gonna react? How you're gonna take this thing? So I feel like this person is coming back with stability, but very slow. I feel like might be by the end of November you can't see them coming to you, but they are slowly but surely coming back towards you. This is what is happening. they're coming back towards you because they have lots of love for you, lots of emotions for you. They feel like higher level of connection with you. They are constantly thinking about you 24 into 7, constantly thinking about this connection, but not making a decision. There's certain kind of blockages, there's certain kind of negativity. Let me clarify the Nine of Pentacles as a potential outcome. Queen of Wands, the Seven of Wands, and Judgment. Okay. It will take time. It will take time. They are passionate about you, but they are not showing their true emotions to you. And they are in this phase of forgiving and forgiveness. Forgiving you and forgiving themselves. Or if you did something wrong, they are ready to forgive you. If they did something wrong, they are just seeking for forgiveness from the universe, not from you actually. They are seeking forgiveness from the universe. So I feel like, yeah, this person is passionate about you, but they are not showing it to you. Okay, and they are hoping for the reconciliation. They are coming for the reconciliation, but the energy is very slow that you will not be able to see that they are coming. But behind the scenes, they are coming. They are trying their best to come. They are making the scenes, film scenes, you can say. Okay, they are making the story how to come back to you. They are trying to come. Okay. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. See ya. Bye bye.